My name is Rob Leipzger. I'm the owner of Rob's Automotive and Collision Center, located in Bristol, Pennsylvania. Everybody knows us for the 24-hour towing. I actually started out as a mechanic. Our first facility was a mechanical repair facility, which we still have, which then it developed went from automotive repair into automotive collision, then went into truck collision, truck mechanical repair, 24-hour road service, and then into the towing, and then into the equipment hauling. When it comes to our mechanical side of the business, we do everything from oil change to an electrical problem to an engine check light, transmission problem, wheel alignment, state inspection. When it comes to your automobile, we do it all. What sets us apart from our competitors? That's a great question. Come on, take a walk. Let me show you. Hey guys.
Hello.
Biggest thing that sets us apart from our competitors are all the factory certifications. We hold over 14 different factory certifications. You can see General Motors, Ford Aluminum, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. Come on over here. We have some good ones over here. We got Porsche, Volkswagen, Audi, Nissan, as well as the shop is full I-Card Gold. That means everybody is trained to the newest specs to repair vehicles. And that's one thing that's good about us. We get to use all OEM parts, and all the techs are factory certified to guarantee the car is brought back to pre-accident condition. Every vehicle that we work on through the collision shop, it comes with a lifetime guarantee on paint, mechanical, and parts. As a customer, when you're involved in an accident, number one thing that you must remember, you own the vehicle. It is your right to have the car repaired at any shop of your choice. The insurance company will want to recommend one of their direct repair facilities for their reasons. We're here for you. For more information on all our services, please visit our website at www.robstowing.com. And remember, where you go, we go.